It's not very often that I make a video about restoring and preserving a modern wedding dress. And while we do work on modern dresses every day, this one is a bit different. This gorgeous wedding dress is stunning, and it only has minimal damage along the hem. And thankfully, we can properly restore it. But first things first, we have to remove all the metal hooks. And because it would be too invasive to remove the hooks along the waistband, we fold and safety pin it to ensure that it won't get caught on the dress during the cleaning process. Bill thoroughly inspects the dress before taking it to be cleaned. If you've watched our videos before, you've probably seen dresses go into the bath before being wet washed, but this dress is different due to how the fabric is woven. It's called a tapestry weave, and wet washing it can cause damage to the dress because the water can saturate unevenly, causing fiber distortion, and the weight of the water can stretch or warp the fabric, especially at the seams. But dry cleaning uses non-water-based solvent that don't swell fibers. It keeps control over moisture and agitation, which protects the structure and the color. And dry cleaning solvent is actually incredible at removing stains without risking fabric distortion. But now, it's on to finishing. Bill starts by pressing the bodice. If you notice, he's being very gentle with the iron. This is again due to the weave of the fabric. Too much pressure or too much heat could damage the weave by compressing it or leaving marks on it. He steams and vacuums the tool before steaming out the rest of the dress. It's finally finished. Just look at how beautiful this dress is, fully restored to like new condition, and now it's ready to be preserved. Before we start, we have to remove the foam bust pads. This is an extremely important step because over time, the pads will off-gas, which will stain the dress. Next, Bill straightens out the tool and the fabric before laying acid-free tissue paper in between the folds of the dress to prevent hard wrinkles from forming over time. Bill puts together the acid-free bust form and then inserts it into the dress. The box is then placed inside a muslin slip, which acts as a second layer of protection for the dress, and now it's ready to face the age of time. The bust pads and veil go into an accessory box, and now it's ready for pickup.